Good morning, good morning. We are out to do some trials riding today. So we're with Morten, Ren, Daniel, Mike, and Darren. And I am the newcomer here. Here we go. Okay, I was over the bars. Yeah. Whew. It was just a gentle fall. This has got to be where the big boys play. just a little baby. That was up on one wheel, all the way up. Crap. Come on down.
Harder than it looks, huh?
That's tricky, man. I feel like we're eating at the little kids' table.
We're getting Cheerios and
And Pop-Tarts.
Pop-Tarts and apple slices.
And they've got filet mignon and some sort of meat that I've never seen before. Almost. So close. That's Darren sizing it up. Now Ren sizing it up, makes an attempt, and he got it. He got it on the arguably easier, and that's a very loose term because that whole face is hard. But he did the probably the A line, and the other guys are trying the double A, double black diamond X line. Okay, so that is the easier because it's got a bit of a grade.
It's just that cut that catches you.
Yeah. You were so close too. Here goes Daniel.
It's hard here now.
Yeah. It's all loose and marbly.
Yeah.
Nice. He hesitated, I saw that. He's trying to use that kicker.
I don't know how to use the kicker.
You don't know how?
Maybe theoretically.
Kind of like that, but with more follow through. There. See, that's good. That's the confidence builder right there. Get that one. And then go for the big frosty cone. Nice. These guys are doing good. All right. Close. I think they're done with this area.